Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful brand new Resilient Lady. I'm currently in one of the Posh Suites here on board. This is one of the MEGA ROCKSTAR Quarters. You get all kinds of upgrades in addition to a beautiful and large amount of space here in the suite. Now I'm going to tour the suite here in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this cruise or any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out, we've cruised with Virgin, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now by upgrading to the MEGA ROCKSTAR Suites, you're going to get everything that Virgin has to offer. You'll have access to Richard's rooftop. That's a unique experience on board the ship. It's at the top front. It's an outdoor space where you can have a great drink, relax, and of course it's key card access only. Now you'll have access to the thermal suite each and every single day. You'll have early access to those reservations for all the incredible included dining experiences here on board. Now with Virgin, you truly get premium dining at no additional cost, and being able to pick exactly what you want goes a long way. Now that goes hand in hand with having your own RockStar agent. They can take care of all the details for you in combination with your Harr Travel advisor as well. Now once you arrive here, you're gonna have a complimentary transfer or free parking. In addition, you're gonna have early embarkation privileges. You'll have early embark and disembark privileges throughout the entire cruise. Now let's tour this beautiful space. Now I mentioned that it is quite a bit of space. We've started off right here in the living room. Now when you walk in the door, you'll see some beautiful art pieces here. I do love the nook. It's where I generally leave things that I don't want to forget to grab on the way out. And then as we step inside, you're going to see the really nice large sofa. Now this can fold out for additional bedding. Make sure you go over those details with your Harr Travel advisor. Now you've got an ottoman here, and tucked in the corner, you're going to find the bar. Now a couple other great upgrades that you get with the MEGA ROCKSTAR Suite is you're going to have a bar tab that you can utilize around the ship each and every single day. And then here you're going to have a bottomless bar right in your suite. They'll replenish that as you'd like. You can imagine having a nice cocktail right here or out on your private balcony. Now, of course, Virgin and music go hand in hand. It's where Virgin's brand got its start. I really love that they have a record player in here. They've got a variety of options for you to choose from. They also have some great upgraded speakers. Underneath here, you're gonna have a stocked mini fridge. You've got all kinds of different cutlery and stemware because you can dine right here in the suite, taking advantage of the room service menu. And then of course, the bar just behind. Now directly across from the sofa, you're gonna find a large flat panel TV. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, watch your favorite shows, and even stream from a collection of on-demand movies. Now I love the little touches. You've got a Nintendo Switch. Imagine playing a little bit of Mario Kart in here. My family absolutely loves that. And I also wanted to point out this tablet. So here you can utilize this around the suite. It'll do things like open the curtains, control the lighting and temperature controls. It'll even control the television. Tucked just behind there, you've got a couple US plugs. You also have a European plug and USB chargers. Because this is a brand new high-tech ship, you're gonna have all of that around the suite and around the ship itself. Now, of course, there's some great musical upgrades. And as we head around the corner, you're gonna find a wall of storage. As I open that up, you've got drawers up and down. You also have some baskets to tuck things away. You've got your full laptop safe just inside here. And then as I open this up, you're gonna find hanging storage that goes all the way across. You'll have some laundry amenities, and then you have storage down below as well. Now tucked just behind here, you're gonna find the water closet. I appreciate that that is a separate space there. You've got a vanity for storage and a large mirror to get ready. On the opposite side, you're gonna find the main bathroom space. As I step inside, I really like the beautiful light marble. You're also gonna find a large vanity here, plenty of storage underneath. You've got a US plug tucked over to the side and a nice large mirror to get ready. Tucked right around the corner, you're gonna have a second water closet. Now, once again, if you have friends or family coming to visit, they can utilize the other one without stepping into your personal space. Now, as I step through here, you're gonna find a large shower. Now, I'm 6'6", I'm a big guy, believe it or not. I do fit underneath that large rainfall shower head. Of course, you have the adjustable shower wand there, the upgraded bath amenities, and a really nice seat where you can sit and soak. Now as we step through into the bedroom space, you're gonna find that upgraded bed here. They've got upgraded linens, pillows, and mattress. There's storage underneath. You've got drawers that'll pull out. You've got storage on either side with the nightstands. You'll also find another one of the tablets you can use to control everything in the suite. You'll have a US plug and USB chargers on either side as well. Just up above, you've got reading lamps, so you can utilize that without disturbing your partner. Now directly across, you'll find a second large flat panel TV, also fully interactive. You can watch your favorite shows and movies. Here you'll find your vanity. There's a US plug and a European plug. They do provide a hairdryer for you. You've got a bench seat that you can pull out. You can sit, a large mirror, and get ready. Now tucked just behind, you've got a small bench to get ready. Now you do see this large window here. Now they do have a cover. You can cover that up if you prefer the privacy, or if you want that natural light coming in, you can utilize that for it as well. Now we're out on your private terrace. You've got a ton of space to spread out. Once again, if you're hosting friends on board, this is a wonderful suite option. You've got a large sofa here with a coffee table. You'll also have 2 chairs and a table there. You can have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening. Take advantage of the beautiful, ever-changing ocean views as you sail in and out of some of the most beautiful ports in the world. Now, of course, you can have every meal right here if you want to take advantage of that room service menu. And then on the far side, you're going to find 2 extra comfy loungers, a cocktail table in between, and then you'll find the hammock that Virgin is known for. Now, these are from Yellow Leaf. Our guests love them. Many of them will purchase when you head home. It's such a cool thing to have the nice sway of the ship as you sit, relax, and rock the night away. Now, when you're ready to tour this beautiful ship, make sure you check out our full ship tour on the channel. We've got all the other rooms and suites for you to check out. And when you're ready to book, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an incredible relationship with Virgin Voyages since the launch of the brand. We love it. We know you will, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.